In this video, we will show the chute source electric interlock door, access door, and washdown system. The chute has been installed, the shaft assembly and front wall have been completed. Framing has been installed to accommodate the access door. The framing on the front wall should never be fastened to the chute or the door assembly. The doors can be adjusted in case they are not in plane with the front wall. The push button control at the top of the door is installed facing inward during the construction phase. The access door is installed on the top floor directly above the last intake door. The DEMA valve and shutoff valve should be easily accessible from the access door. The bracket for the 1-gallon jug can be fastened directly to the side of the chute. The water line connects to the factory installed nipple just above the top intake section. The electric interlock doors are daisy chained using low voltage wiring, which ties in to the electric interlock power panel in the discharge room.